Did you know that over half of diabetics avoid fruit entirely out of fear it will spike their blood sugar? But here's the truth. Not all fruits are created equal, and some can actually help stabilize your blood sugar and boost your overall health. Today, we're counting down the top 10 superfruits for diabetics that you must add to your diet, because one of them might actually help you manage your diabetes naturally. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you've just been diagnosed with diabetes or have been managing it for years, figuring out what to eat can feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to fruit. Many people assume that fruits are full of sugar and therefore off-limits, but the reality is, certain fruits offer incredible benefits for blood sugar control when eaten the right way. Let's dive into the top 10 superfruits that are safe, delicious, and packed with nutrients every diabetic should enjoy. It's a common myth that all fruits are bad for diabetics. Yes, some are high in sugar, but many are low on the glycemic index, GI, which means they don't cause rapid spikes in blood glucose. These fruits also contain fiber, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, support weight loss, and even improve insulin sensitivity. So instead of avoiding fruit altogether, let's get smart about the kinds we choose. Number 10. Blueberries. Blueberries may be small, but they are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that give them their deep blue color and help improve insulin sensitivity. They also contain soluble fiber, which slows digestion and sugar absorption. With a GI around 53, blueberries are a perfect low GI snack. Add a small handful to your Greek yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or enjoy them with unsweetened almond milk and chia seeds for a powerful start to your day. Number 9. Green apples. Green apples, especially Granny Smiths, are lower in sugar than red apples and have a GI of just 39. They're high in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps regulate blood sugar and supports gut health. Plus, the skin is packed with antioxidants. Pair a sliced green apple with natural peanut or almond butter for a snack that's satisfying and blood sugar friendly. Number 8. Kiwi. Don't let the fuzzy skin scare you off. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, with a GI of around 50. They also contain actinidin, an enzyme that helps with digestion. Kiwis are known to have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels and can be enjoyed on their own, tossed into salads, or added to a high-protein yogurt bowl. Number 7. Oranges. Oranges are a fantastic source of vitamin C and potassium, with a low GI of 40 when eaten whole. The key is to eat the fruit, not the juice, since the fiber in whole oranges slows sugar absorption. Also, the white pith under the peel is rich in fiber and bioflavonoids that support vascular health. Eat one as a mid-morning snack, or add segments to a spinach and walnut salad for a burst of flavor and nutrients. Number 6. Pears. Pears are naturally sweet and incredibly high in fiber, especially if you eat the skin. With a GI of 38, they help control blood sugar and support satiety. Pears are also rich in flavonoids, which may reduce insulin resistance. Try baking a pear with cinnamon as a healthy dessert, or slice it into your green smoothie for a creamy texture. Number 5. Cherries. Cherries are among the lowest GI fruits, clocking in around 20. They contain anthocyanins, which have been shown to lower blood sugar and reduce inflammation, two key concerns for diabetics. Cherries also support heart health, making them a smart snack choice. Go for fresh or frozen cherries without added sugar, perfect on their own, or mixed into unsweetened oatmeal. Number 4. Peaches. Fresh peaches are juicy, refreshing, and surprisingly diabetic-friendly with a GI around 42. They're rich in vitamin A, C, and potassium, and their natural sweetness can curb sugar cravings. Avoid canned varieties packed in syrup. Instead, slice a fresh peach into low-fat cottage cheese, or grill it for a savory sweet dinner side dish. Number 3. Strawberries. These beautiful berries pack a punch when it comes to fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, and they have a GI of just 41. Strawberries may lower insulin levels after meals, making them a great dessert alternative. Add them to salads, smoothies, or just enjoy a bowl with a drizzle of dark chocolate for a guilt-free treat. Number 2. Avocados. Yes, avocados are a fruit, and they're one of the best foods a diabetic can eat. They're packed with monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help regulate blood sugar levels. Their fiber content is very high, and the GI is essentially 0. Use avocado in wraps, on whole grain toast, or in a smoothie to keep you full longer and reduce cravings. Number 1. The Super Mix Berries Combo. The ultimate diabetic-friendly fruit group? Mixed berries. blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These have extremely low GIs from 20 to 40 and are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. They help combat inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and improve insulin sensitivity. You can make a daily habit of a berry bowl with chia seeds, plain Greek yogurt, and nuts. A breakfast or dessert that's blood sugar friendly and totally satisfying. Many diabetics report steadier energy and improved glucose readings after adding berries to their routine. Here's the bottom line: diabetes doesn't mean giving up fruit. It means choosing smart, nutrient-dense options that nourish your body and support stable blood sugar levels. These 10 fruits, rich in fiber, antioxidants, and low in GI, can be a delicious part of your daily diet. So the next time you're reaching for a snack, skip the processed foods and grab a piece of fruit that's doing your body a favor. Because with the right knowledge, you're not just managing diabetes, you're thriving with it. So tell us, which of these superfruits is your favorite? Have you noticed any positive changes since adding fruit to your diet? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other guides on diabetic-friendly foods and lifestyle tips. Stay healthy and stay empowered. See you in the next video.